Hi guys, and welcome to the radiocontrol.co.uk YouTube channel. Today we're looking at the XTS Rally car from Rlaarlo. This is currently one of the most popular cars that we sell on the website. Radiocontrol.co.uk is an official dealer of Rlaarlo, and we've been working with them for over 2 years, selling their products in the UK and distributing their products in the UK. Rlaarlo have become renowned for selling good value, low to medium cost products, and they have worked their way up over the last couple of years, starting at really low cost products, and in the last year or so they've really started to smash it in the mid-range market, where you're looking between 160 to 270-ish pounds, up to 300 pounds depending on what car you're looking at. This is the carbon version of the rally car. It's based on a Fiesta, and it looks amazing. As per usual, Rlaarlo outdo themselves with packaging. They provide an outer cardboard box as well as a gift box, as you see here. Again, really high quality packaging. It's really appreciated by shop owners when the supplier gives you proper packaging. Just makes it so much easier to send, so much more reliable to actually get the product to the customer. They also always send these bags with extra parts. So you've got a charger, you've got some zip ties, you've got a couple of spare battery Velcro straps, stickers, and your instruction book. This one comes with the standard Rlaarlo RC unit, and this is what they use in the cheaper version of the Rlaarlo Terminator, and it's a great transmitter. It's everything you need. It has all the settings you need. The car's bound into the box with some cable ties. We'll get them cut and get this out the box eventually. Whoever has stolen my box cutter, I'd appreciate them giving it back. In the meantime, I'm using a ruler to cut open boxes. As you can see, pretty cool livery on the body shell. It looks really great. So after a bit of a struggle, we get out of the box and get to do the super satisfying bit of removing the protective film to reveal the super shiny body. You've got to love this bit. It's always satisfying, whether you've just painted this body shell and removing the outer part on, or whether you've got a new RC car. It's always good to see the shiny body shell. Super interesting design on the body shells. So they've got a clip at the front which you just pull, and then they've either side of the car on the just behind the arc. So as you can see at the front, there's a clip where you can just unclip it, and then on the sides, and there are a couple of things you rotate to get the body shell unclipped on each side, and it just keeps the body shell nice and clipped in. I do think they kind of missed a trick by not having some side plates that stop the dirt coming in to the car. I do feel like, yeah, these like little frame pieces here will kind of just let all the dirt inside the car. I'm always, I'm a bit of a clean freak, I guess. I kind of prefer to keep RC cars nice and clean. It's just such a mission to clean them, but it depends what you like. Obviously it's a rally car, so a lot of people are going to take this outside and absolutely thrash it in the dirt, which I don't blame them. It's going to be loads of fun. So in terms of layout, it's very similar to the Terminator. It's the same chassis, so it's the same length. The only thing they've done compared to the Terminator is that the suspension arms are shorter, so it's a narrower vehicle in total, which kind of makes sense. It's trying to be a bit more scale. And in terms of squeezing in a bigger battery, it's going to be a lot easier because of that plate that you've got at the back. So I think the idea is that you move the ESC onto that plate, which there's plenty of space for underneath the body shell. So your ESC would be up at the top, and then you have a bigger space on the right hand side there for a battery of your choosing. So you could probably go to up to 5,000 milliamp hour battery, So in terms of sizing compared to the ROG1, which is on the far right, and the X12S, which is in the middle here, you can see that it's quite substantially larger. So if you're looking at the new Rlaarlo RC cars, the new range, then this is trying to give you an indicator of the different sizes. But we'll talk more about the ROG and the X12S in another video. Go and check that out on, I'll provide the link here in the description. Thanks for having a look. Please do like, follow, and subscribe. And if you want the best deal on the Rlaarlo XTS rally car, go check it out on radiocontrol.co.uk. We will be doing packages with the new body shells, the purple one, and the new color. I can't remember the new color, or a clear body shell if you want to spray your own.